All right, so we talked about Z-scores and we talked about the fact that in general, if you've got a higher Z-score, that normally is a better result. Okay, the higher the Z-score, the better you've gone because you're further above the mean. Now, there are situations where that's not the case. For example, if we're comparing times for runners, you obviously want to be below the mean rather than above. So this particular question is a swimming one. It says in international swimming, the mean time for the men's 100-meter freestyle is 50.46 with a standard deviation of 0.6 seconds. In the 200 meters, the mean time is 1:51.4 with a standard deviation of 1.4. Sam's best time is 49.92 for the 100 and 1 minute 49.3 for the 200. At a competition, Sam can only enter one of these events. Which one should it be? So, well, let's double check. Let's work out what he should enter. So we've got our formula here. So we've got Z equals X minus X bar over S. Now we're going to write down what we know for each of them. So for the 100 meter, we know that X is 49.92. The mean is 50.46. And the standard deviation is 0.6. For the 200, now here's something. Can I suggest that what you do is convert these to seconds? It'll make your life easier if you're not dealing with minutes and seconds. Yeah, so we've got X is 109.3. The mean is 111.4. And the standard deviation is 1.4. Okay, so I've just converted those to seconds. Isn't that right, Surly? That's awesome. All right, so now we're just going to sub into this one. So Z equals 49.92 minus 50.46 divided by 0.6. And the other one, Z equals 109, didn't I? Going the wrong way around. 109.3 minus 111.4, all divided by 1.4. That'll be mine. Just ignore it. Sorry. All right, so you should have got that one for the first. What'd you get? Emily, what'd you get? What'd you get for the first one? Well, go on, hurry up. You realise that your book's just in front of you, right? Okay. Which is the 200. Ah, but he's a very good swimmer. It doesn't actually ask for it in this particular case, but I would just write down underneath it 200 meters so you know which one he was better at. And you can see that he's better at it because he's 1.5 times the standard deviation below the mean. And in this particular case, being below the mean is much better. Yeah, no, there's the minuses there. All good?